You're welcome, everyone here. Right now, we're talking about this phishing attack. Okay, phishing attack was true because you will tell that's wrong here. Okay, that's just because certificate about the link is only in host, the host in home. Not public. Is not public. For right now, just you what you doing. Okay, you go with your phone. I'm talking, yes, thinking that's phone, and buy or boot it with a browser protection, mini protection like this. Use protection, a lot of protection, really. Okay, why talking about what? Yes, that's one here. HTTPS. That's one. That's the protection. If you not have that with any link, that's mean what? Phishing. Like what would be phishing always? Be like this. Is the old one. That's phishing. You got it? Will tell what phishing. Like for example, my browser. Let us tell my router. That's one. And I think no. Close. That's one. Okay. What will be? Will be like that. Why? No protection. Got it. Talking about what protection, stated protection. Sorry, no, 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 no. Protection to be our watch. Try like this. Watch. That's back. So that's one. Right. Open, close, anyway. That's have the protection here. Why? Because that's a true website or link. Get it? So you buy or bought it. Good or protection with your browser or with your phone or with your computer or your laptop or your internet. Okay, just here look like this just because certificate is not public. Okay, that's what it's not. That's one is not phishing. Okay, think that's not phishing. Let That's name. Try watch like this. Not try. Okay, okay, okay. Now you need to true one. Yeah. No, 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 no. But here, okay, let's have one here. True. To tell here secret number, for example, 000222333. And a true one. Got it. You make protection about that protection to be HTTPS, and you think that's not phishing. Got it? Okay. Is that not phishing? Is that what I mistake put it here? Got it? Why? That's a link is not public because that's just for example. For example, in the true life, that's attacks. Okay. In USA, Britannia, and a lot of people have a thieves internet and take all the data, and that's the data always to be in a dark web to can to buy and sometimes to take money from you. Get it? That's information. Watch like this. فNote sync when you have a protection with a browser or link, sorry, you don't can HTTPS or HTTP like this will tell what this is just phishing, this is not true. Okay, that's what any true one will be like this. Watch like what? Just look at here with me because that's a link is not public, it's just certificate, certificate like that, just is not public. Get it? If me, I want to make it that's be public, it's very easy. Get it? Very easy and will not have that wrong here. Will be what? No any mistake here. Your mind and your eyes not always you can't to see it good with the link. Why? Watch here. That this is true. But watch here. Watch that's here. You have something mistake here. That's one. This is not true one. Just like this, you can get it. You get it? But if you want protection, you need just have to say you can call the penetration tester and will be sorry because you will not watch a true penetration tester in right now. But I'm penetration tester and I can help. And right now I am help. You get it? And you can tune learn. If you want learn also, you can learn with me and a lot of people have good knowledge, science. But I'm here, I'm the nutrition tester, and I try to help you about your protection. What's good with the link is a link, not look at the people, sorry, just look at always about that's the protection HTTPS. And you think when be like this is a true one. Why? Because okay, that's a true one. Okay, that's true one. Watch HTTPS. Why? When you be like this, you tell yes, that's is phishing. That's phishing. No, no, do this. Phishing attack. Like this, what? This is a true one. You get it? Because that's will not have that's a wrong when you know when you watch a link. No, you need to watch with the link. All the link have a mistake or not have. Get it? Because if me have now email, a true one, I can put it and everything will work with you. But only me, I take it all the information. Get it? If you have the protection with about the browser, about your phone, about you know Facebook, about you need only call, have messages, have code to bot. Anyway, we can't watch everything here together. Just I'm here, I'm help a little, and just you have protection. Just you need to put it. Oh, to sorry, you need to watch what? Watch a link. A link does have a mistake or not. Get it? Another thing, okay. A lot of people do it. Go here, it change, it check, and put it here. For example, Facebook. Get it? طب I can make it not phishing attack, but make it man in the middle attack, but different man in the middle attack, and will have that protection and be true and don't can be no. Why? Because I make man in the middle attack and a true man in the middle attack, not old one, and that's what everything your phone with with the thieves with the attack. Get it? And you will be what you will be zombies. فجست you need what a link, you need to watch a good a link you need to be have always mistake like that. But here always I'm not make you to be afraid, but you need to be afraid because if you want important your data will be everywhere. And thank you, and I hope you support us. And always you need to be learn, have science, and to be protection in your mind, not your tools, or to protection you put it in your browser or your phone. Thank you.